Hi, I'm Robert F. Kennedy Jr., your HHS secretary, and I'm here in this incredible landscape. I'm here with Chairman Wheeler of the Nez Perce, and we're talking about Indian health services and how we can better service the tribe by listening to them, by understanding their needs. One of the principal things that we talked about today was the food. They have a hatchery here, and they were restoring the salmon runs. There are 8 dams on the Snake River coming up from the Columbia, and the salmon, which used to come up here by the millions, now cannot get over those dams, and it is starving the Nez Perce people and the other tribes along the Columbia and the Snake River.
Well, this is
one of the ways that they are mitigating it is through the maintenance of these hatcheries, which are meant to restore the salmon population, which connects us to this extraordinary food supply. Ultra-processed food is poison for every American, but it's disproportionately dangerous for the tribes, which have the highest diabetes rate, the highest obesity rate, the shortest longevity of any demographic in our country. And I want to thank you, Chairman Wheeler, for what you do, not just for your tribe, but for all Americans.
Well, thank you, Secretary Kennedy. Thank you for understanding the relationship that we have with the United States of America, and obligation that we have to one another as sovereign partners, and to come to the table and solve these problems together.
Produced by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.